Hello students, so today we will start chapter 3 of physics class 10. So this will be our video number 11. Okay, so let us start the new series of video. That is with video number 1 for chapter 3. Okay, so today's date is 13/8/2020. Okay, so our chapter number 3, the name is mechanics. Not mechanics, machines. MACHINES, machines. Okay, so first we need to know what are machines. Okay, so if we see in this age, this is the 21st century, in this age what we can see that all the works, high-tech works are done by machines. Okay, for the manufacturing of cars or manufacturing of vehicles or manufacturing of home, manufacturing of mobile, anything we see, all they are done by the machines. Okay, so machines have become a part, okay, of our life. So what a machine generally do? A machine is generally used or to employed to do some work, okay, which cannot be conveniently done without it. Okay, some work are there that some persons or people or any human cannot do it. Okay, so in that way, in that work, so we can employ machine to do it. So we use machine to overcome a resistance at work by applying a comparative smaller forces or to gain speed or to change the direction and the point of application of force. Okay, so if we give the definition, so what is machine? Machine is a device by which what we can do? We can overcome a resistance. Okay, or we can say, or we gain speed by applying comparatively a smaller force at a convenient point. And in a desired direction. Okay, so what is a machine? It is a device by which we can overcome resistance or we can gain speed. By how we can gain resistance or gain speed? By applying a smaller force. Okay, by applying a smaller force at a particular point and in a particular direction. Fine. Suppose we give one example. Suppose gearbox. Okay, so we apply a small force on the gearbox, and with that, when we accelerate, the car moves in very faster way. Okay, or it gains speed. Similarly, the capacitor of the fan, table fan, or we can say the ceiling fan. So in the regulator, just we apply a small force and rotate that. Okay, so by rotating that, by applying a small force in a particular direction, the speed of the fan increases. Okay, so that devices which can overcome resistance or can gain speed by applying comparatively a smaller force at a convenient point and in a desired direction. That device will be known as machine. Fine. Okay, so next we will define the kinds of simple machine. So kinds of simple machine. Okay, so we generally divide the simple machine into two kinds. Okay, so first one is our lever, LEVER, and the second part is our inclined plane. So we will discuss it now. So okay, so in the next slide, the modification of lever. Generally, the lever are modified into pulley and wheel and axle. Okay, whereas the modification of inclined plane are wedge and screw. Okay, so we need to know these terms. Okay, so if we classify a machine, so these are of two types generally. First is our lever and second is our inclined plane. Inclined plane. And again the lever is modified into 2 or 3 parts, we can say. That is our pulley, then wheel and axle. Okay, and inclined plane, these are of two types, we can say. That is our wedge and screw. Okay, so now we need to know what are these. Fine. Okay, so what is pulley? Pulley is a wheel. Okay, so pulley is a wheel that carries a flexible rope, or we can say your cord, cable, chain or belt on its rim. Okay, and they are generally used singly or used in combination to transmit energy of motion. Okay, I think you have seen like this. Some rotating wheels are there. Okay, and the ropes are used here. Okay, so it is a wheel. So this wheel is known as our pulley that carries a flexible rope. So in this way something rotates. You can see the belt which rotates. Okay, these are called our pulley. Okay, or you can see that in bike, or okay, generally in bike. Okay, so your chain. So chain is attached to the previous your rear wheel. So your rear wheel you can see some spokes like this. Okay, and chain is attached to it, and this chain is again attached to the front engine. Okay, so this rotating this you can say the circular wheel, this circular wheel is known as our pulley. The wheel is, what is wheel and what is axle? So to hold this wheel, okay, or to axle, generally there is one axle like this. Okay, so you can say cylindrical shape. So like this, this will be the axle, and here the wheel will be attached. Okay, so with the support of this axle the wheel will rotate. So that is called our wheel. Similarly, we have the wedge. So what is wedge? Generally a wedge is a piece of wood, we can say, or a piece of metal, okay, or any other thing solid, having one thicker end and tapering to thin edge, and this is driven between two objects or parts of object to generally secure them or to separate them. So we can give one example, that is the door was secured by a wedge, like that. Okay, how we can give that example, wedge. So in the main door of your room, suppose this is the room, so one lock is there, no, like this. So this will be, some lock will be there, and like here, so we use a key here. So that is called our wedge. Okay, similarly screw are used to tighten something, that are called screw. So these are some parts, okay, of the machine. So so all complicated machines are made from all the above mentioned simple machines. So these are all the simple machines, and using all these simple machines, so the machine which will be formed by using this all the simple machines will be known as our complicated machines. Okay, now we will see the function of machine. Function of a machine. So what does a machine do? Okay, so generally a machine can multiply force. So if we apply a small force, that small force can be multiplied and used in large force, okay, as a large force. So we can say that a machine can, suppose we write the points. So a machine can multiply force. Okay, it can multiply force such as pulley systems, then levers, okay, and some other point also. Similarly, we can give the second function, that what does a machine do? It increases speed, okay, such as by wheel, okay. So a machine can increase speed, okay, such as we can say in lever or wheel and axle. So they can increase speed such as your in lever or wheel or axle, okay. So we can take other also, etc. And the third function is it can change direction. So how we can do? So in the steering, if we apply a force in particular direction, so we can go towards the left or towards the right. So a machine can change direction. A machine can change the direction, okay, of effort applied, of effort or force applied, or effort applied. Fine, such as in a single pulley. And lever. Fine. So up to this you go through the what is machine, kinds of machine, different parts of the machine, then simple machine, complicated machine, and what is the functions of a machine. Okay. In the next video we will learn some general terms related to the machines. Okay. So till then, if you find any difficulty, then you can contact me. So we will discuss this broadly in the next videos. That is pulley. We can give one example. We can give examples, wedge, then all these things. Okay. Okay. Thank you.